Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a very simple, easy and effective workflow to remove these ugly white outlines, also called as halos. All you need is the clone stamp tool. But before that, let me duplicate my original layer just to ensure that it is not affected. To do this, I'll go to the layers panel here, right click on my layer and duplicate it. Once the duplicate layer is created, I'll just click on the clone stamp tool and ensure that blending mode is set to darken. This is where the magic lies. I'll sample an area somewhere very close to the halo region here by clicking on Alt key and then gently brush it along the regions of halos. Do you see how easily the halos are getting removed? You can follow the same approach with the rest of your image where there are halos. This is so simple, easy and very effective. If you like this video, click on like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you wish to see any tutorials for a particular feature, please comment it below. Thank you.